Close your eyes and settle in, dear one. Tonight's story is called, The Gentle Pour of Dreams. As you nestle into your cozy blanket, let the warmth wrap around you like a soft embrace. Picture a serene landscape, where the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of lavender and gold. The world slows down, and a gentle breeze whispers through the trees, inviting you to relax and breathe deeply. Once upon a time, in a town where the air was sweet and the stars twinkled like diamonds, there stood a humble building, a symbol of hard work and dreams fulfilled. It was a place where laughter echoed and friendships blossomed, a reminder of the journey taken to create something beautiful. I received an invitation to the grand opening of this building, a letter adorned with a delicate seal that shimmered in the soft light. In recognition of your years of service, we would be honored to have you attend, it read. I held the letter close to my heart, feeling a wave of nostalgia wash over me. It was a moment to celebrate, a moment to reflect on the past with gratitude. The building stood tall where an old factory once thrived, transformed into something new and vibrant. I had worked alongside a foreman named Calder, a man who brought a sense of camaraderie to the crew. He had a way of making everyone feel valued, sharing stories and laughter over cups of warm coffee as the sun rose each day. Yet, as with all stories, there were shadows amidst the light. There were moments of misunderstanding, of miscommunication, but they were part of the tapestry of our shared experience. I had learned to navigate those waters, to find strength in patience and understanding. As the foundation work neared completion, I felt a gentle nudge of intuition. There was something about the West Pit that called to me, a whisper of concern that urged me to take a closer look. I approached Calder, sharing my thoughts with a calm voice, and he listened, his brow furrowing in contemplation. Together, we ventured into the pit, where the walls seemed to embrace us, muffling the outside world. It was a place of quiet reflection, where time felt suspended. I thought of the soft chime of a distant bell, its sound lingering long after the initial toll, a reminder that echoes of our actions remain. As we descended, our conversation drifted like leaves on a gentle stream, meandering through thoughts of worry and reassurance. I felt a sense of calm wash over me, a knowing that we were exactly where we needed to be. Then, in a moment of clarity, I stepped back, allowing the gentle flow of concrete to begin its dance. Calder looked up, confusion flickering in his eyes, and I could feel the stillness in the air. "What are you doing?" he called, his voice a mix of surprise and concern. "Finishing the pour," I replied softly, a smile gracing my lips. "Good night." "Good night." His laughter rang out, but it was light, like a feather caught in the breeze. "Not yet, you're not. Get them to stop." But I did not. I had spoken to the others, fostering a sense of trust and unity among us. We were a team, bound by our shared purpose, and together we moved forward, guided by an invisible thread of determination. The concrete flowed steadily, a soothing rhythm that filled the space around us. Calder attempted to climb, but the walls were too smooth, and he found himself slipping back. I watched as the mixture rose, enveloping him in its gentle embrace, a cocoon of possibilities. "You don't have to do this," he said, his voice tinged with disbelief. "Good night." "Good night." I remained silent, allowing him to find his own path through the moment. His frustration transformed into a plea, a vulnerability that spoke of the human experience. "You'll hear it," he said, breathless. "You'll hear it after." "What will I hear?" I asked, tilting my head slightly, curiosity dancing in my eyes. He smiled, a flicker of defiance in his gaze. "The knocking," he replied, a final attempt to reach beyond the present. In that moment, I allowed him his wish, a small piece of hope amidst the unfolding story. When the pour was complete, the surface was smooth, a perfect foundation for what was to come. Years passed like a gentle stream flowing through a meadow. The building rose, a testament to our hard work, adorned with glass that shimmered in the sunlight. It became a place where dreams were nurtured, where laughter echoed through the halls, and where memories were woven into the very fabric of its being. As you drift off to sleep, imagine the warmth of that building, filled with love and laughter, a sanctuary where dreams take flight. Let the soothing images wrap around you like a soft blanket, and know that you are safe, cherished, and ready to embrace the beautiful dreams that await you. Good night, dear one. Sweet dreams.